Flash flood warning!
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a flash flood warning for extreme west central Maricopa County in south central Arizona, east central La Paz County in